Hey, babe. This little cutie wanted a little break. She's been around her puppies all the time for 3 weeks now, so I took her on a quick errand just a few miles from our house. Completely normal to have raw beef on our couch. It's lunchtime. Shakira always takes hers under the bottom stair, a private place where she can eat her bones and meat without being bothered. And Beyonce's having her bone in here. Pregnant girl, she sleeps right by my side while I'm working. That little bone wore her out. She was snoring. I made something for the babies. I want to see if they will play, if they're ready yet. I'm not sure how much they can see. They're checking it out. Is that a good spot? Look at her little face. What a cutie. Hey, cutie. I'm getting a lot of kisses from this little girl. Hey.